The upright bike is a cardio machine that can help improve your cardiovascular fitness and overall health. Here's how to use it correctly. Stand next to the bike and adjust the seat height so that it is level with your hip bone. Sit on the bike and place your feet into the pedals. While sitting, ensure your legs are almost fully extended when the pedal is at its lowest point, with your knee at a slight bend around 10 to 15 degrees. Begin pedaling by pushing down on the pedals with the balls of your feet, not your heels. Adjust the intensity of your workout by increasing the resistance on the console to stimulate hills or decrease the resistance for easier pedaling. Aim for a resistance level that challenges you without causing discomfort or compromising your form. Your arms should have a comfortable bend when holding the handlebars without stretching or hunching your back. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged with a light grip on the handles. Avoid leaning too far forward or rounding your back, as it's important to maintain a neutral spine position. Focus on smooth and consistent pedaling while avoiding jerky movements to prevent strain on your knees and hips. Continue for the duration as indicated in your workout program. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.